Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to teach you how to identify what we call an order block, or OB. Now, before we learn how to identify it, we first need to understand what an order block actually is. A bullish order block is the last down close candle, or bearish candle, right before the market aggressively shoots upward. Conversely, a bearish order block is the last up close candle, or bullish candle, right before the market aggressively drops down. In English trading terms, we call it the last down bearish candle before a bullish impulsive move, or the last up bullish candle before a bearish impulsive move. Now, let's take a look at a real example directly on the chart. To find a bullish order block, take a look right here on this section of the chart. As you can see, the price pushed and broke upward very strongly from this point. This rapid upward momentum is called a bullish impulsive move. So, to find our bullish order block, look right at the bottom here. This is the last down bearish candle right before that strong bullish impulsive move started. Therefore, we mark our order block level right over here. Notice that when the market retraced back down to test this exact order block, it rejected it beautifully and shot right back up. Let's look at another example right here. This is also a valid bullish order block because it represents the last down candle before a massive, impulsive upward push. As soon as that bearish candle closed, the market created a heavy impulsive move straight up. Looking further over here, this is another clear bullish order block. It is the last bearish candle before a massive explosive push. This was the very last candle before the market kept going up and up. These are great examples of how to locate bullish order blocks. Now, let's switch gears and find some bearish order blocks. Finding a bearish order block follows the exact same logic, just in reverse. To find it, you need to look for the last bullish candle right before a strong, bearish impulsive drop. Check out this example here. This is the last bullish candle before the bearish impulsive move took over. This was the final up candle right before the market completely collapsed downward. If you look right here, this is another bearish order block for the exact same reason, the final bullish candle before a heavy impulsive drop. Moving over here, this is also a bearish order block, and so is this one. Both are the last up bullish candles before an impulsive move where the market took a massive dive. However, please note that order blocks do not work 100% of the time, especially if you try to trade against the dominant market trend. Look at this example right here. This is technically a bearish order block, but the market completely ignored it and broke right through. Why? Because the market was in a strong uptrend. If you try to sell at a bearish order block during an aggressive uptrend, it usually won't work out well for you. If you want your order block trades to be highly effective, you must trade in alignment with the overall trend. If the market is in an uptrend, look to buy at bullish order blocks. If the market is in a downtrend, look to sell at bearish order blocks. That's it for this video on how to correctly identify order blocks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.